Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Linear Ocean Learning channel on transformation of sentences according to structure. Part 1, from complex to simple and from complex to compound. Today I will be talking on rule 12A because there are two rules A and B. Rule A is complex sentence with subordinating conjunction so plus adjective or adverb plus that in case of same subject. Viewers, in my structures I have used some abbreviation, and to know them I have written their elaboration. You should know them. CX means complex, SC means subordinating conjunction, ADJ means adjective, ADV means adverb, IPO in place of, EX extension. Complex sentence with subordinating conjunction so plus adjective or adverb plus that in case of same subject. Example, the boy is so weak that he cannot walk. If we want to put it into simple sentence, then we have to follow this structure. Subject, the boy is the subject here, verb is, in place of so it will be to plus adjective or adverb. The word weak here is adjective. Then to IPO, that means in place of that plus subject plus auxiliary verb plus not plus extension. If we follow the structure, the simple sentence we will get is the boy is too weak to walk. Now let us make the complex sentence. The boy is so weak that he cannot walk. The structure of compound sentence will be subject plus verb. In place of so, it is very plus adjective or adverb, and so in place of that plus extension. Now let us follow the structure. Subject the boy, verb is so very, adjective weak, and it's weak, and in place of that it is and so plus extension, that means he cannot walk. So the compound sentence we are getting is the boy is very weak and so he cannot walk. Viewers, now let's get on rule number 12B, complex sentence with subordinating conjunction so plus adjective or adverb plus that in case of different subjects. Look at the example. The load is so heavy that I cannot lift it. In this sentence we have got two subjects. One is the load and another is I. To make it simple, we have to follow this following structure. Subject 1 plus verb is to IPO so, that means in place of so we have to write to plus adjective or adverb plus for in place of that. In place of that we have to write for plus objective form of subject 2. Here subject 2 is I and the objective form of I is me. Then to IPO auxiliary verb plus not. Here auxiliary verb and not is cannot. In place of cannot we have to write to. Then plus verb, the verb is lift here, plus object, object it. Object it will not be there, it will be omitted. So if we follow the structure, the simple sentence we are getting is the load is in place of so to adjective heavy, in place of that it is for, and in place of I it's me, then in place of cannot it is to, plus verb, it omitted. The load is so heavy that I cannot lift it. The simple one will be, the load is too heavy for me to lift. Now, if we want to put it in compound sentence, the structure we have to follow is subject, verb, very in place of so, plus adjective or adverb heavy, and in place of that it is and so, then extension. If we follow the structure, the compound sentence we will get is, the load is very heavy and so I cannot carry it. Let me give one more example on the same category. Mr. Jolil talks too fast, so fast, that nobody can understand him. If we follow the previous structure to make complex sentence into simple, the simple sentence we will get will be, Mr. Jolin talks too fast, fast here adverb, in place of so it is to, and in place of that it is for, and for nobody it will be anybody, then in place of can it will be to, plus verb understand, plus object him, and its compound one will be Mr. Jolil talks very fast and in place of that it will be and so here, and so nobody can understand him. This one is slightly different from the previous one because here we have got two personified subject, but in the previous instance we got one personified and another inanimate, that is impersonified subject. Viewers, see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.